Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up sales tax automatically in Wix. If you're running an online store, managing sales tax can feel complicated, but Wix makes it much easier with automated tools. I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. From here, look for the Setup section. This is where you manage everything for your online store, including payments, shipping, and taxes. Next, click on Settings in the dashboard menu. This opens your store's control center, giving you access to all the configurations you need to run your store efficiently. Once inside, navigate to the tax section and click on it. This is where you'll customize your tax settings to ensure compliance with state and national tax laws. You'll likely see an option to upgrade in order to enable automatic tax calculations. Follow the instructions provided by Wix to upgrade if prompted. This unlocks the feature that lets Wix automatically calculate and apply the correct sales tax based on your customer's location and the products you're selling. Automation helps reduce errors in calculations and keeps your store up to date with changing tax rates, giving you one less thing to worry about. Make sure to review all the new settings to ensure everything aligns with your business needs and complies with local laws. And that's it. With these steps, your Wix store will handle sales tax automatically, letting you focus on growing your business instead of worrying about calculations. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.